Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Connect to Autotech. My name is Pranjal and in this video we'll see what are the special features of MMM Azani, the first electric supercar developed in India. Before moving forward, press the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon. MMM company, that is the Metal Motors, was founded back in the year 2012 by Sarthak Paul, and in the year 2014 it aimed to produce high performance electric supercar with futuristic features and also with good innovations. Coming to its features, it comes with 1000 horsepower power and 1000 nanometer of torque. It can catch 0 to 100 km power in 2 seconds, top speed of 350 km power, and its electric range is from 550 km to 700 km in a single charge. The swanky machine is going to be powered by 120 kWh battery pack and will come equipped with a skateboard aluminum space frame chassis so that it is highly flexible to use across the variants. There is no doubt that the car will home to a lot of high technology features. If the rumors are to be believed, then there are chances that the car will have the ability to access the OTA updates, over the air updates. MMM has been flaunting its uses of artificial intelligence in its micro factories for reducing the cost and increasing the efficiency rate. Two-door coupe with an aerodynamic profile with an LED headlamps. Azani to hit markets by the end of the year 2022, and it will be priced around USD 1,20,000 or in Indian rupees at a price of 89 lakh rupees. So the interior is still left to be revealed.